Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the China Eastern application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the globe button at the top of the page on the left. And then at the language section, click on the two out of the two languages that you want. So there's Chinese and English. So just click on the one that you want, and then click on the confirm button, and your language is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.